Welcome back. In this video, we will cover your OneCart account tracking history. So this is the tracking history for your entire account. So let's navigate over to View Inventory, Tracking History. I'm already on the page here. And every log that you see, every line here, is an operation that was performed either by you manually clicked on something or you updated something manually, or an automated operation that OneCart app took for you. For example, an order come in from one of your marketplaces and OneCart automatically pushed inventory to all of your other shops. So this page is divided into three columns. We have the time at which the operation was performed. We've got the actual content of the operation, and then you've got the logs, meaning the resulting log of the operation, and this is where you would find more information. For example, if one of the operations had failed. A few things to notice. So you can pull up all of the previous failed attempts by clicking on this button over here, Show Failed Attempts, and this will just pull up all of the errors that occurred in your OneCart account. Now, if you wanted to understand the operation itself, so there's a few different types of operations. In this particular case, this top one refers to a force push. So OneCart force pushed, meaning updated your inventory on this particular listing, and this was done for Lazada only for this particular SKU. And if you go back in time here for these pages, you'll see various operations like maybe you, the user, updated quantity to a particular number, or OneCart updated quantity on RedMart or on Shopee or on Shopify.